We continue and we are going to add the colors of our 2D plane. Let's start with the bathroom. For the bathroom, I'm going to go here on material and I select first water. And for example, I can just take water deep and to go on water at this level and also here. Then I'm going to go on, or for example, I can select tile. For example, I can take something like Marbre Carrara floor tile or something like this, and I can go like that, and I can add something like this. Or maybe I'm just going to keep this here, and for this furniture I'm going to change and I can just take, for example, color, and I can select just a gray color like this, here, here and here. Then for the floor, I'm going to go on tile, and I'm going to select, for example, I think that I'm going to integrate field square tile like this, but in all my planes. So I can take this, I go on the plus, and I would like something less dark, so I click like that, and I integrate this like this. Or maybe it's too dark, it's too clear, so I can come back and select something like that. Now I'm going to go here at this level on the bed. So for the bed, I'm going to select first carpet, fabrics, leather, textile, and I'm going to go on suede dark gray or suede blue. But I'm going to choose fabric linen. I go on the plus, and for example, I can select something little in red like this. The same thing for the pillow. And then I can go again, I can select the plus to have something clear like that, more nearwise, and I can integrate something like this. Or I can change like that. If I want to have a contrast, I can also change the color and to go more in green or more in the blue, for example like this. But I'm going to stay with that. Now here, for this furniture, for the wardrobe, also I'm going to select a black color, but a black color in a material. So I select wood. Then I can go, for example, on wood plywood knots, and I go on the plus, and I can edit little the materials like this. Same thing here for this furniture. I'm going also to use this for this furniture here and here also, and here also, like that. Then here it's going to be the kitchen. So for the kitchen, I'm just going to choose a color. I go on color, and I'm going to select a gray color like this. I'm going to do something like that. I'm going to go on the sofa at this level, and for the sofa I'm going to go on carpet, fabric, leather, textiles, and I can select leather and, for example, leather blue, but I'm going to edit the color. I go on plus, and I'm going to do something little in red, for example, like that. After blue, something clear, like this. And here for these two elements of decoration, I can choose just the color, so I can come back, and I'm going to choose a color. So I go on colors, and I can choose something like that, for example. And this is okay to introduce, to incorporate the colors of our document.